Hey everyone, amazing learners. Welcome to JRG Basic Education, where learning English is fun and easy. Want to speak English fluently? Mastering verbs is the key. In today's video, we're learning 100 essential English words with example sentences. Whether you're a beginner or a student, these words will help you speak and understand English better. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Daily use English words with examples. I am a student. You are my best friend. He plays football. She sings beautifully. It is a big dog. We go to school together. They are happy. This is my book. That is a blue car. These apples are fresh. School, I go to school every day. Teacher, my teacher is very kind. Book, I read a book at night. Pen, I write with a blue pen. Bag, my school bag is heavy. Table, the table is clean. Chair, I sit on a chair. Classroom, our classroom is big. Friend, I have a good friend. Student, I am a student. Read, I read a book every day. Write, she writes in her notebook. Speak, we speak English in class. Listen to the teacher carefully. Play, they play soccer in the park. Run, the boy runs very fast. Walk, I walk to school every morning. Eat, she eats an apple for breakfast. Drink, I drink milk every day. Learn, we learn new words in English. Happy, I am happy today. Sad, she looks sad. Big, that is a big house. Small, this pencil is small. Fast, the car is very fast. Slow, the turtle moves slowly. New, I have a new backpack. Old, this is an old book. Good, he is a good student. Bad, this is a bad idea. 1, I have 1 pencil. 2, she has 2 brothers. 3, there are 3 books on the table. 4, the cat has 4 legs. 5, he bought 5 apples. Red, my bag is red. Blue, the sky is blue. Green, the leaves are green. Black, I have a black phone. White, the clouds are white. Morning, I wake up in the morning. Afternoon, I have lunch in the afternoon. Evening, we go for a walk in the evening. Night, the stars shine at night. Day, today is a beautiful day. Week, there are 7 days in a week. Month, this month is April. Year, the year is 2025. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is a holiday. What is your name? Where do you live? When is your birthday? Why are you late? Who is your teacher? How are you? Which color do you like? Whose book is this? Can you help me? Do you like ice cream? Yes, I understand. No, I don't know. Please give me a pen. Thank you for helping me. Sorry, I am sorry for being late. Excuse me, can you help me? Welcome, you are welcome. Good morning, teacher. Good night, mom. Mom, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Home, I go home after school. Family, my family is very nice. Father, my father is a doctor. Mother, my mother cooks delicious food. Brother, I have 1 younger brother. Sister, my sister loves to sing. Food, I eat healthy food. Water, we drink water every day. Sun, the sun is shining brightly. Moon, the moon looks beautiful at night. Love, I love my family. I like playing football. Want, I want a new book. Need, I need a pencil. Hope, I hope to pass the test. Try, I try to speak English. Think, I think learning is fun. Believe, I believe in myself. Dream, I have a big dream. Help, please help me with my homework. Awesome job, everyone! You just learned 100 important English words. Which word was new for you? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.